Chapter 29. His Heart. Irava. I shrug at him again, my throat going so tight I can't breathe. He catches his own breath, looks around, and leans in. What happened? He glances back toward the room I built within the courtyard, still visible from here. And from the vantage of a distance, I see how thick that barricade of hedges is. Thicker than even the highest and best maintained walls within the garden itself. But those walls I built didn't, in the end, save me from my own chaos. I can't see Toravan. Either he's left the room I made for us and gone out of sight, or he's still hidden inside. Valter's mouth draws tight, and he leads me farther down the hedge corridor, around a bend, out of sight. "What's wrong?" he asks, his voice low. He was furious. With the storm? With Nikolai? The stupid shit ran away? He saw me, I say. I wipe hair from my eyes again. It's raining harder now, and while it's not overly cold, I'm trying to keep from shivering. Toravan, I mean. Valter's lips form an O before twisting into, "Shit, he saw you? What does that mean?" I don't look at him as I say, I had to drop my illusion to wrestle the storm. At the last, I hadn't tried to, hadn't even known it had happened, until Toravan was looking up at me, and I spoke, and my voice was not the one I'd been expecting. Not the one I was coming to associate with myself around Toravan. But the wind had been dragging him away. I could have done nothing else. Caleb, so he knows that you're... I wrap my arms around myself. He knows I'm a woman. He doesn't know. He swipes at the rain falling in his eyes, and then he stiffens, takes a breath, and contains himself. Okay, I get that you were both in mortal danger just now, but you need to tell him. He looks to one side and pulls me under a tree overhanging the path, which is at least a little shelter from the rain. He pauses, then wrestles out of his coat. "Here, take this. I don't need it. Take it, Caleb." I take his coat, which, with its finer weave, is weathering the rain better than mine, and shrug it around myself over my own wet coat. I pull the edges tight. I watch to see if he's shivering like I am, but he's not. He says, "You need to tell him now. Go back in there, or he'll only stew on this. If I tell him, it'll be off, won't it? The marriage? The treaty? If I tell him right now, can you honestly say he won't just shut me out completely? Even if I have to use an illusion for the rest of my life, I still have a chance at keeping the treaty. And that is suddenly important to me. Drastically, intensely important. Toravan doesn't want to marry a foreign princess. Not any more than I thought I hadn't wanted to marry him. But he made that treaty for a reason. Barella needs stability outside its borders, especially now when it's constantly under attack from within. Valter rubs at his eyes. He will see reason. I know he'll see reason, eventually. So if you can't tell him, I will. This has gone on long enough, and past the point of safety for both of you. He turns to go back to the courtyard, and I dig my fingers into his arm. No, Valter, this storm wasn't an accident, and he knows that too. I don't know if Nikolai was just trying to win back favor, or if it was more.